tested another newly launched Forex Expert Advisor from the marketplace, and it is giving me consistent profit in my live account. In this video, I will share the backtesting result of this particular expert advisor so that you can decide if this expert advisor is worth investing your time or not. Let's see which one it is. This is the Ionic AI Expert Advisor version 2.2 for MT4, currently available on MQL5 marketplace for nearly $1,000. It's been published recently on 23rd of January 2025 and the current version is 2.2. It's been okay. So this is the developer and this expert advisor is specially designed for gold pair. So I am testing this expert advisor on XAU USD gold pair with H1 time frame as recommended by the developer, and here is the result. So I have finished the back testing and here is the result section. So I have taken a random time span starting from January 1st, 2025 to January 31st, 2025, and here we can see the result section. With a lot size of 0.10, it has placed a lot of trades, and here I can see the balance amount is increasing gradually, and this expert advisor is giving me a very good amount of profit with no losses at all. Right now I am not having any loss amount. So let me show you the graph section. This is our graph section. So let's see how this expert advisor actually works. So I have here this expert advisor's description section where the currency pair is gold, H1 time frame, and the deposit amount is 100 but recommended is $1,000. So here you can see a lot of recommendations by the developer. So now I will show you how this expert advisor has performed, and I have skipped this part. So let me show you now the end result real quick. Just stay tuned, I'll be back within a moment. I have completed my back testing and now it's time to reveal the result. So here I said that I placed this expert advisor with a time span of January 1st to January 31st. So here is the entire section where you can see every single thing. So check the balance section and you will see every single transaction has been closed with a very good amount of profit, and there is no loss amount, no loss at all. So here is the graph section and you will see it's a clear smooth graph, and this is the report section where we have the total net profit amount, that is $540.50, and we do not have any loss amount. However, the maximal balance drawdown percentage is 26.84%. In this month, this expert advisor has given me 100% profitable trade. So now I am really confident that I can use this expert advisor in any of my accounts. But let me show you one thing, that this expert advisor huge drawdown means you cannot use this expert advisor on a small account. As I am going to show you everything, so let me show you this one more time, that the developer himself has mentioned the recommended minimum deposit amount is $100, but the recommended deposit amount is $1,000. So do not try this expert advisor on a small account. Try this only on a $1,000 account or more. Right here is our expert advisor with the same performance that costs $145. This is the Ionic AI MT4 Expert Advisor version 2.2, and right now it is available on euforexea.com. This expert advisor you can use on gold, Euro USD and GBP USD pair as well, but try it on gold pair only and try it with H1 time frame only for optimal results. This expert advisor you can get by simply joining our official Telegram group, that is Q4X Premium. This is our product, this is the product link, this is our product's instant downloading link. These are the payment methods you can use, and if you have any query regarding this expert advisor or if you are facing any issues regarding the installation process, you can contact with us directly through this. This is Euforex Asia. Let me show you now. This is the joining link of our channel. I have put this joining link in the description section of this video. Check it out and join our channel for more such expert advisors that are low cost but profitable. This is the Euphorics Asia admin channel. Query if you have, contact us right here. And thank you so much for watching this video till the end with me. Give this video a like, share it and subscribe our channel for more such expert advisor and indicators honest review videos. Thank you so much. Visit again.